Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, Terra Classic might be hitting 1 cent in 2023. Yes, so many people believe that this year we are going to see Terra Classic hitting 1 cent. Now, imagine investing $100 right now on Terra Classic, and before the end of the year, Terra Classic hitting 1 cent will definitely return about $10,000 profit. We know Binance have been supporting Terra Classic, and the burning of Terra Classic have also increased. One important thing to understand is that Terra Classic burning is definitely going to increase so much this year. In fact, we're expecting Terra Classic to burn about 10 billion coins per month, but I believe when we see Terra Classic burning that number this early, burning that number in the first quarter of 2023, but I believe towards the ending of 2023, Terra Classic might be burning about 5 billion to 10 billion coins, because definitely that volume of Terra Classic is going to hit billions very soon. We also big whales are having interest. More interest are coming in every day on Terra Classic. Ending the year burning over 36 billion is amazing. And we also Terra Classic even burning the first day of the year 2023, burning over 125 million coins. It's amazing to see a coin like this, and over 1 trillion coins have been staked. I believe, of course, 2023 Terra Classic is going to hit 1 cent. Deleting 2.0 is possible this year, and with a lot of support they've gotten from Binance, founder from CZ, is amazing. And we all believe that Coinbase will be coming in to support this coin this year. And Robinhood definitely will be supporting Terra Classic this year. Terra Classic have really done well last year in terms of search. A lot of people have searched about Terra Classic. Is one of the top coins of 2022, and we believe that is going to continue in 2023. And we believe 2023 is going to be a year for Terra Classic. 2023 Terra Classic is going to hit 1 cent. Hitting 1 penny is amazing, and we hope holders will be smiling very soon to the bank. Last year wasn't that good for Terra Classic, because it was last year 2022 that we all saw Terra Classic crashing down. Wow. Well, remember that Terra Classic, as of last year, we also saw that Terra Classic was actually trading at over $130 before dropping down to 0.000154 that is trading today from $130. So a lot of people lost a lot of money on Terra Classic. People are trying to recover. Some people are really trying to recover, especially Binance founders CZ. And I believe this year we might see Terra Classic hitting 1 cent or 10 cents, while so many people still believe Terra Classic is going to hit $1. Well, anyone, I believe this year is going to be a bullish year. It's going to be a positive year, not just for Terra Classic, but for cryptocurrency in general. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.